Unit 2. Test. Kakapos. Hello, Sally. Thank you for joining us again on Strange Animals of the World.
Thank you, Mark.
What have you got for us today, Sally?
Well, I travelled to New Zealand last month and I learned about some amazing birds. For millions of years, birds were almost the only animals living in New Zealand.
Were the birds strange?
Yes, they were. The kiwi is a very strange bird, but the kakapo is even stranger. I think that's the strangest bird there.
Why?
Well, it's a type of parrot. It's the heaviest parrot in the world. It's got very soft feathers. It can't fly, so it doesn't need hard feathers.
It can't fly. Is that because it's so heavy?
Yes, partly. It's also because it's got very short wings. Kakapos can climb trees very well. They climb to the treetops, and when they jump down, they use their wings to help them fall slowly.
Wow!
Kakapos sleep in the day and move around at night. That's why they are called kakapo. In the Maori language, kakapo means parrot and night.
Did you see a kakapo?
No. Sadly, there aren't many kakapos in the world today. Scientists say there are only about 120. Each kakapo has got a name, and the Kakapo Recovery Programme is trying to protect them.
Sally, thank you very much.